Although there are 5 healing tools in Photoshop, 3 of them are used more commonly than the others. They are the spot healing tool, the healing brush tool, and the patch tool. This video is going to show you quickly how to use each one of these tools. So our first tool is the healing brush tool, and I'm going to make sure I've sampled all layers. Then I'm going to go over to the layers panel and get a blank layer to heal on. I'm going to heal this little spot down in the left-hand corner. You'll see my brush is very big, so I'm going to use the left bracket key to make that smaller. And then I'm just going to brush over the spots that I don't want. The spot healing brush tool is great for little anomalies in a sea of sameness. Okay, so the next healing tool that I'm going to use is the healing brush tool. And the healing brush tool is a tool where you decide where you want to get healing from. To set that, use your Alt or Option key on your keyboard to click a pigment spot. Then move your brush over to the place where you want to apply the pigment that you're using. Notice that the crosshair shows you where you're picking pigment up from. So just continue to pick that pigment up and put it back down until you're satisfied with the results. The final healing tool we're going to use is the patch tool. The patch tool cannot be used on a separate layer, so what we're going to do is create a copy of our flower layer, and then we're going to go over and use the patch tool to draw around the places that we want patched. Once you have a selection made, all you do is click and drag with the tool to a place that has the pigment or the pixels that you would like, and it replaces what you have selected with those pixels. You can go back over places that you've already done if you want to get a little bit better patching, and again, you just continue that until you get the result that you want. So 3 tools to heal with. We'll get you started.